Risk disclaimer.
Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. Once again, I want to welcome you to today's video. We started yesterday looking into tips to overcome FOMO, and of course, we looked into what is FOMO in trading. We look into what characterizes a FOMO trader. We also look into factors that triggers FOMO, and of course, we are to start the FOMO trading versus disciplined trading cycle yesterday. So that's where we'll continue today. However, if this is the first time you are visiting us on our channel, come and show us some love. Subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like us on Facebook, and of course follow us on Twitter. Leave your comments below and share this video on your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. Every week we pick we randomly select a winner for a palliative cash gift, so you could be the next winner. Okay, so quickly do that right now. So yesterday, as I said, we've looked into what is FOMO in trading. If you missed that video, the link will be at the description of this video. Make sure you watch that before you continue this, so that you will be able to get the full gist. Okay, we'll talk about what is FOMO trading, and we'll look into the emotions that governs and that controls FOMO, and we, of course, will look into a FOMO trader's experience, that was discussed on yesterday's video, and we'll look into 7 things most FOMO traders says, and of course we talked about the factors that trigger FOMO trading. So you can look into the description, you will see the link to the video. So let's talk about FOMO trading versus disciplined trading, the cycle. When we compare, okay, comparing a trader with plan, okay, as a Forex trader you need to have a plan. As a trader with FOMO, they have no plan. Okay, so when you have a plan, you plan your trade, you keep a journal, you have confidence in that strategy that you have. You are using Tradermatic, you believe the signal, you believe the system, you don't blend the strategy. You don't blend strategy. You are following 2, 3, 4, 5 people online. You get this strategy from this person, you get this strategy from this person, you merge it together. It becomes a strategy that has not been tested, and that is why most people lose their money. So if you are a trader with a plan, you conduct your analysis before the news. You don't just jump into it. You set a comfortable risk to reward ratio. Okay, you don't just gamble. You use a sensible stop loss and take profit level, realistic one. You are not risking $10 and you want to make $5 million. It can't work. You follow a plan, keeps a log, and achieved your trading goal. So do you have a goal as a trader? So that is what to work with. Now, traders with FOMO, okay, we are trying to compare them. These ones, they take opinions as fact, they follow rumors, they don't have a plan, they don't do analysis, they don't even know how the trades are or the signals are being generated. They just enter it and they trade. They consider the upside and maximizes exposure. Okay, they enter risky positions, panic, close out, repeat. When they are entering positions, it's very, very risky. It comes with a lot of risk. They don't control their risk. They don't have stop loss, no specific take profit. And when they panic, they close the trade and the cycle repeats itself. Okay, these people, they have no plan. As I've said, it doesn't keep a log, they don't have a journal, and FOMO takes over their trade. And these people, before you know it, they are part of the statistics of those 90% that lose their Forex account within the first 90 days of their trading career. Even if they open another account, the same thing will repeat itself. They will burn out the account. Okay, so you need to avoid this side and be on this side. That is how to do it. Okay, all right. So let's look into my experience. You know, like yesterday, I wasn't feeling too good yesterday, so I woke up to trade the London session, and of course, I just had this terrible headache, and of course, I went back to sleep. Then I woke up like 1 hour after. I look at my phone and I saw a trade on GBP USD. I saw the chart was going up. Immediately on my phone, I just placed buy. I didn't look at my analysis. I didn't know what has happened before. Remember, I was even in the middle of sleep, and I just used one eye and I opened that long position. As I'm talking to you now, that trade is still on minus 600 and something dollars, even though I know that it will eventually go back, because I'm one of those stubborn traders. I don't close my trade easily. I don't do that. So I don't know about you. Some also have that same experience, and I would love to hear from you. Leave your comment below. How has this FOMO thing affected you? Sometimes it might be okay, you set your daily goal, and after you have reached your goal, you still see an opportunity that you're supposed to just walk away from. You place the trade, and before you know it, it goes against you. Okay, so now let's talk about tips to overcome FOMO. Okay, here are the tips and reminder to help you manage the fear factor and the FOMO factor. Number one, know that there will always be another trade. Okay, there will always be another trade. Trading opportunity are like buses. If you take bus, another one will come. Okay, even if you miss this one, another bus will come. Okay, everyone is in the same position. It doesn't matter if you see a trade now or a trading opportunity, the money, the capital, account size might be different, but everybody is on that same position. Stick to your trading plan. Okay, stick to your trading plan, and as I've said, stop blending strategies. Taking the emotion out of your trading will be a key factor that will help you to put emotion aside. Okay, traders should only use money they can afford to lose. I've said this over and over and over and over. It's common sense 101. Do not risk money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, knowing the market is essential. If you have been following me for a while or so, you know I'm very big on this. You are not trading, you trade GBP USD, you trade Euro USD, you trade Japanese yen, you trade indices. You will be confused. You will not know that market. Stick with one currency pairs, know how that currency pairs behaves, and you discover that you will make more money by doing that. Okay, so FOMO isn't easily forgotten, but it can be controlled. I'm creating this video, it still affects me, but of course creating this video for you. I'm also creating it for me. Okay, so it helps me to remind myself what I have said over and over and over. So keeping a trading journal helps with planning. If you are trading on 1 minute, there's no way you will keep a trading journal. But if you are trading on the higher time frame, you have time for analysis, and of course you can keep your trading journal. I give a trading journal to all my students, and it helps you to keep your journal very well. So overcoming FOMO doesn't happen overnight, but you need to know it's an ongoing process, and you begin to work on it. Okay, so my friend, what we have covered within this past 2 days is what is FOMO in Forex trading. We talk about the characteristics of FOMO traders, factors that can trigger FOMO. We look into FOMO trading versus disciplined traders, and of course the cycle, and I share one of my experiences, and then we finally looked into the tips to overcome FOMO. I hope this makes sense to you, and if you have seen values in this content, come on, show us some love. Okay, subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like us on Facebook, like this video, share it on your Facebook profile and your page. Share this video with someone. It could be a blessing to somebody. I love you. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.
Good afternoon. My name is TJ Sunimi Ajala. I'm the winner of the palliative cash gift for this week. I've received my cash gift already, and I would like to say a very big thank you to Mr. Emmanuel Adebola, the Forex Apostle himself. I appreciate you and I say God bless you. Thank you very much, sir.